Hey guys, it's me. This time I don't have the Massimo with me, and I got finally our first pack opening, Private Clash Aggron. And today I'm really hoping to get one of the full arts in this set. And let's start this off. Okay, I will give away my whole cards at the end of the video. I know the cards are 3 from the back and the front. We get this started. Anti Retrieval, Celio, Escape Rope, Rhyhorn, Spheal, Lotad, Bidoof, Staryu, Knife Off Holo. Is that rare? No, it's uncommon. Yes! Sorry about this. Yes! Swampert, holo, there. Oh my god, he's one of my favorite Pokemon. Oh my god, yes. Sorry about this. Got Swampert, holo, there. Reverse holo. Is that reverse holo? Yes. Go Lady X. You need to work with me. I'm done. Yeah. Bye. Swampert, holo. Swampert holo. Oh my god. I got a Swampert holo. I got a Swampert holo. Guys, see you later for the next pack opening. Bye.